Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Teach on a Tuesday. I'm Talena and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into the musical magic of a song that's sure to light up your day. Our song of the week, Firework by Katy Perry. Before we dive into the chords, let's set the stage. Firework is a song that's all about empowerment and finding your inner strength. Now, it's written in the key of A flat major, which means that we'll be using the following notes: A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, and G, going back to A flat. Now, don't be intimidated by this key. Remember, it's all about breaking things down and taking your time and having fun. Now, let's break down the chord structure that forms the backbone of Firework. We've got 4 chords that repeat throughout the entire song. A flat, B flat minor, F minor, and D flat. These are the 1st, 2nd, 6th and 4th chords made from the A flat major scale. For those of you playing on the guitar, you can achieve a similar sound using a capo on the 1st fret and playing these following chords: G, A minor, E minor, and C. Alright, now it's time to put these chords into action. I'll be playing them on my guitar and I'll also sing the verse and chorus so that you can hear how they all come together. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screams when no one seems to hear a thing? Do you ever know that there's a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine just on the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go. And there you have it, the core chords of Firework. Remember, learning a new song is a journey and every step you take brings you closer to mastering it. So don't hesitate to practice, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. Thank you for joining me today on Teach on a Tuesday. I hope you're feeling inspired to light up your musical journey just like Firework. If you enjoyed this episode, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you never miss a Tuesday full of musical learning. Until next time, keep playing and keep shining bright.